Hello everyone and welcome back to English with Nina. Do you understand English but struggle to make sentences during real conversations? Today we will learn 5 simple English sentences that you can use almost every day. First, listen carefully then repeat each sentence with me. After that, we will use all 5 sentences in a short conversation. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to speak more naturally and confidently. Are you ready? Let's begin. I'm getting ready. Repeat after me. I am getting ready. Again. I am getting ready. We use this sentence when we are preparing to leave, go to work, attend class, or meet someone. For example, I am getting ready for work. Repeat. I am getting ready for work. Now, answer this question. What are you doing? I am getting ready. Excellent. Listen carefully. I am on my way. Repeat. I am on my way. Again, naturally. I am on my way. This means you have started traveling to a place. Imagine your friend is waiting for you and asks, "Where are you?" You can reply, "I am on my way." Repeat. I am on my way. Or, I am on my way home. Very good. I'll call you later. Repeat. I'll call you later. I'll is the short form of I will. We use this sentence when we are busy or unable to talk at the moment. For example, I am busy right now. I'll call you later. Repeat. I am busy right now. I will call you later. Another example. I am in a meeting. I'll call you later. Repeat. I'm in a meeting. I'll call you later. Now say the complete sentence naturally. Sorry, I'm busy. I'll call you later. Excellent. Listen carefully. I'm feeling tired. Repeat. I am feeling tired. Use this sentence when you need to explain how you feel. You can add a reason. I'm feeling tired because I didn't sleep well. Repeat. I am feeling tired because I didn't sleep well. You can also say I'm feeling a little tired today. Notice that a little tired sounds softer than simply saying very tired. Now answer, how are you feeling? Say, I'm feeling a little tired today. Great job. Listen. See you tomorrow. Repeat. See you tomorrow. We use this phrase when saying goodbye to someone we expect to meet the next day. For example, have a good evening. See you tomorrow. Repeat. Have a good morning. See you tomorrow. Okay, take care. See you tomorrow. Excellent. Let's review all 5 sentences. Now, I will ask you 5 questions. Try to answer without reading. Question number 1. What are you doing before leaving home? What can you say when you have started traveling? What can you say when you are too busy to talk? How can you explain that you need some rest? What can you say when you will meet someone the next day? How many did you remember? Now repeat all 5 sentences one final time with confidence. I'm getting ready. Repeat. I'm on my way. Repeat. I'll call you later. Repeat. I'm feeling tired. Repeat. See you tomorrow. Repeat. Amazing! You have just learned 5 simple English sentences that you can use in everyday life. Do not only watch this lesson, use at least one of these sentences today. Write your favorite sentence in the comments. Subscribe to English with Nina for more beginner English lessons, speaking practice, grammar, vocabulary, quizzes, and pronunciation tips. Keep practicing, speak confidently, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.